Hi, hello guys, welcome to the IS coaching channel. Today we're going to know about the 10 most repeated topics in UPSC prelims. Note, UPSC CSE aspirant should study all the topics in prelim syllabus. Here are the few topics which are repeated in every prelims, excluding the current affairs. So concentrate little more on these topics. The first one, ecology and environment. National parks, there will be question like Bhitarkarnika National Park is located in which state? Answer Odisha. And biosphere, the question will be like the large number of tigers are found in which biosphere reserve? The Ramsar site. The Ramsar site Astamodi Lake is located in which state? The UNESCO heritage site. The question will be like the USA President Trump visited which UNESCO heritage site? Endangered species. The questions will be like Gharial, which lives in the Ganges river, falls into which category? Which falls into the critically endangered species. Number 2, inventions and launches. Indian indigenous inventions. Example, Tejas fighter jet. ISRO launches. The recent ISRO launches. Example, Chandrayaan 2. Indian company big launches. 3. Awards. National awards like Sahitya Academy, Padma Shri, Paramveer Chakra and etc. International awards like Man Booker Awards, Nobel Prize and other important awards. 4. Government schemes and launches. Central government schemes, central government web and app launches. Example, Arogya Setu, which was launched during COVID-19 epidemic. State government web and app launches. 5. Art and culture. State-wise dances, paintings, traditional makings. Coming to the dances, Kuchipudi, tribal festivals. Recently, which tribal festival held in Telangana? Answer, Sammaka Saraka Jatara, which is also world's largest tribal gathering. GA tax. Example, Hyderabad Halim, Telangana. Summer season, so mangoes are special. Banginpalli mangoes, Andhra Pradesh. Uppada silks, Andhra Pradesh. Mysore silk, Karnataka. These are the examples of GA tax. 6. Modern history. East India Company Acts like Rowlatt Act and other acts. Important events in freedom struggles like Dandi March, Quit India Movement and other important events. Governor Generals of India and their acts. 7. Military exercises. National and international army, navy, air force exercise and their teams. Rescue operations by military. International events. Sports like Tokyo Olympics. Other country presidents and prime ministers visiting India. Recently, USA President visited the India and there was a program called as Namaste Trump. International deals. India has signed purchase of Apache attack helicopters from USA. India has a signed deal with Russia for purchase of S-400 missiles. And India has signed Singapore Convention related to the United Nations Convention on International Settlements. Ninth one, India ranking. India ranking in different types of indexes issued by foreign institute. For example, ease of doing business. India ranks 64. The index is released by World Bank. And another example is Human Development Index. India ranks 129. So these are examples of different types of India ranking in different types of indexes. 10. International summits and treaties. Example, international summits like G6, G20, SAARC, ASEAN. The questions will be like G20 2022 will be held in which country? Answer, India. International conventions and treaties signed by India. Example, Singapore Conventions. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.